Hello guys, review smartphone Blackview A95. This version 8GB RAM memory and 128GB internal memory, open box and look complementation. In complementation we have key for SIM slot, adapter for charging and Type-C cable. Okay. And now talk about device. Device made of plastic, triple camera on the back side, LED, on the front side display 6.5 inch, on this side power buttons and wall buttons, on this side slot for 2 nano SIM card or 1 nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory, downside Type-C port, speaker and microphone. Okay, turn on device, we have HD display IPS 6.5 inch, open Geekbench file, talk about system information. We have CPU MediaTek Helio P70, Mali G72 is GPU, resolution HD, display PPA. Okay, look results, single core score and multi-core score, and GPU test results. Look into the benchmark. Okay, onto the benchmark, close this. And the My Games just under start. Look how this game works on the device. Game was good, without lags and glitches. Okay, close this. And now I'll show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.